I'm cooking vermicelli Swayaa. So this is a little bit more than half a pack. This is the full pack, and I squeeze in this packet. So make a little bit like a ground. It's not a powder, but very thin and small pieces. So here is the oil and flame. Oil is enough to fry, so I'm gonna bring it a little bit slower than average. So I will fry a little bit, just slightly fry. Sugar will be burn, otherwise taste will be totally different. So in the milk, I boil it. In no condition to boil actually making the Swayaa, so I just boil it because milk was outside sitting like an hour already. So here is the sugar. Sugar can be more and less, depend on as per taste. So don't have to be more or don't have to be less, depend on your taste. So I'm going to start adding milk in there. At the same time, I'm going to bring it to, this is a medium burner, so it's not the beauty of this cooking Swayaa. It takes little time to cook because later I'm going to bring it to slow flame and continue adding milk and continue stirring. It's very important, otherwise it's burnt, the taste will be totally different. It will be burnt taste, so have to be very careful. The cooking Swayaa need little bit common sense actually, little bit technique and common sense, that's it. And very fast will be very tasty. The way I'm cooking, not many people cook like that because this need lot of milk and a little bit extra time. But taste comes, it's very tasty once it's done. Warm, hot, or cold, or refrigerated, depend how people like it. So there's no condition either. The milk I'm going to add all but little by little. This all milk will go in. When Swayaa or vermicelli will absorb and become thick and start bubbling while cooking, so then that means the Swayaa is ready. So can't put more milk in there because it's not going to absorb that milk. So because continue stirring is important because otherwise it will be stick with the fire. That will be, taste can be a little bit different than average too. May take 15 more minutes to properly cook. Now I'm going to make short video like a 15 second, 10 to maybe 15 second, 16-second video. So it start cooking now, and next 15 minutes Swayaa will be ready. I'm going to add it now sugar. I'm going to taste. I'm going to leave it rest of sugar there. I'm going to after taste. I'm going to add more if needed. If not, then I will leave it maybe less sugar than the average. So some people like more, some like less. So always people's own taste. Later I'm going to make short video just for final video.